Hello guys, my name is Yash. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, you will learn about keywords, reserved words in Java programming. Also, you will learn about identifiers. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Also, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe so that you don't miss any updates. In Java keywords, we will see what is a keyword and list of Java keywords. So what is a keyword? Java keywords are also known as reserved words. Keywords are particular words which acts as a key to a code. These are predefined words by Java, so it cannot be used as a variable or object name. Keywords are predefined, reserved words used in Java programming that have special meanings to the compiler. For example, here int is a keyword. It indicates that the variable score is of integer type. You cannot use keywords like int, for, class, etc. as variable name, as they are part of the Java programming language syntax. Here we have the complete list of all keywords in Java programming. So in Java identifiers, we will see what is an identifier and rules for naming an identifier. What is an identifier? Identifiers are the name given to variables, classes, methods, etc. For example, int score. Here score is a variable. You cannot use keywords as variable names. It's because keywords have predefined meanings. Another example is int float. This code is wrong. It's because float is a keyword and cannot be used as a variable name. There are some rules for naming an identifier. Identifiers are case sensitive. Identifiers cannot be a keyword. White spaces are not allowed. It can have a sequence of letters and digits. However, it must begin with a letter, dollar, or underscore. The first letter of an identifier cannot be a digit. It's a convention to start an identifier with a letter rather than dollar or underscore. You cannot use symbols such as @, and so on. If you like this video, share it with your friends and also don't forget to like.